Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under GCSE past question papers, June 2013, question number 21 on a quadratic graph. So the expression x squared minus 8x plus 21 can be rewritten as into bracket x minus a all squared plus b for all the values of x. 1. We are to find the value of a and the value of b. That is for section A or the part A. Then the equation of a curve, which is in this form y equals to the same expression. The diagram shows part of a sketch of the graph of y of a function. The minimum point of the curve is labeled as m. So number 2, we are to write down the coordinates of m. So in this first part, to be able to rewrite an expression of this form in this form, we have to use the completing the square. How to factorize an expression using the completing the square. So here I'll be having a x squared minus 8x plus 21. This is an expression, not an equation. If it were to be an equation, we will be sending the constant term to the other side of the equation, of the equal sign. But since it's an expression, let's maintain it that way and find half the square of the middle term. What is the middle term? The coefficient of x, which is minus 8. Half of that will give you minus 4. Half of this, minus 4. You find the square of that. So we are adding the square of that and subtracting it. What I mean is that if I have x squared minus 8x plus minus 4 all squared plus 21 minus 4 all squared. Check it out. This is the bracket. Let's just pick it as a bracket as what? Y. This is y minus y. So in the normal sense, if this is introduced and we subtract it away from it, the expression remains trinomial. This minus this will go, this will remain. Alright. But if you pick the first 3 parts, this is going to be 16. And that is a perfect trinomial. If half of the term, the middle term, is the square of the last term, then we can say that all of these become x minus 4 all squared. Why are we saying that? If I find the square of this, a squared, that's what x squared will give us this. What is twice of this? The product of this. First of all, the product will be minus 4x, twice of that, minus 8. Then square the last, you still get a 16. So this is a perfect trinomial. Alright. Then I'll be having plus 21 minus the square of minus 14 will be 16, positive 16. This negative is the subtraction. The minus times minus give you positive. So that becomes x minus 4 all square plus, I guess, 5. This is in the form of this. So compare with our x minus a squared plus b, your a will be equals to 4 and b. Let me write it as in the sentence form. The value of a will be 4 and that of b will be what? 5. Why is it 4, not negative? We are comparing. The negative is there, the negative is there, so a will be equals to 4. X is cancelling x, negative is cancelling negative, therefore 4 must also cancel the a. That is why it is positive. And this is already positive, so 5. That's perfect. Alright. So from here, we are going to the b part. We are writing down the coordinate of m. Before we can do that, this must be an equation. So if y is 0, then this becomes an equation. The very point here is the line of symmetry where the line of symmetry, it passes through the turning point. And at the turning point, you have your equation of the line of symmetry, then you have the y-axis. So this point is our vertex. There are various ways of finding the vertex. We can find the vertex by expressing this as an equation by completing the square. If you do so, if you write it this way, the x value is going to be the 4. Then the y value is going to be this. So the x value is just going to be, the point here will be 4, the point here will be 5. So the point that we are looking for as the vertex will be 4 and what? 5. Just like that. But if you want to be convinced how we can solve this, we can try it in this way. If you write y equals to 0, then it means that your x squared minus 8x plus 21 will be equals to 0. So fast forward, you are looking at for factors of 21. When you add, you get what? Minus 8. Fast forward, that's how it is. Or we go for the equation of the line of symmetry, which will be minus b over 2a minus b. So minus 8 divided by 2 times 1. That will give us 4. So it means at the vertex, the line of symmetry will pass through 4, which we are seeing there. Then to find the y counterpart, we introduce 4 into this equation, meaning this will become y equals to x is 4 squared minus 8 4 plus 21. This will be 16, right? 16. Then we have minus, the whole of this will also be 32 plus 21. We know that 16 minus 32 will give you minus 16 plus 21. Y will be equals to 5. So we can see that the vertex will be x value 4, y value 5. That is the vertex. So the coordinate of the turning point, which is the M that we are looking for, will just be 4 and 5. I'm sure I'm able to convince you to know that even without solving it, you can be able to detect that when you express the thing in terms of completing the square, the first term here is the x value, then the second term here is the y value at the vertex. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.